Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls, and I thought I'd give you a different kind of vlog today. How about not in the kitchen, but today I'll be taking you along with us as we go to a new Mexican restaurant that's opened up nearby, and it's so good. So we're trying to have some family time with Isaiah before he leaves, so let's do this. We're just playing outside right now. Hey, Jonas. And Kobe's out here telling me about his favorite episodes of the Twilight Zone. What are you doing? I completely love when the kids are playing. I do, and I know that the weather is getting better right now. It's a nice spring day, 75 or so. It's gonna even get to 80 this week. It's gonna be awesome. So they need this playing time better than to be like on the computer watching, you know, YouTube. I'm just kidding. No, they just need to be outside playing and being with their friends. And so we're gonna let them play for a little bit and then head over to Flamin' Juan's for dinner, because we told Isaiah we would take him. So we're going to do that, and we'll have some family time. We're almost gonna go. I think this is where we go. Look at that. Bienvenidos. Awesome. You want to get the door, Ezzy?
Yeah.
About this place so far?
I like it.
This one's actually really big compared to the one we went to the last time. It smells good, huh?
Yeah.
And what are you gonna get?
Are you okay, man?
Yeah. What are you gonna get?
Fries.
Fries. Chicken strips and fries. Let's see. That looks so good. I bet they're making their tortillas in there from scratch. Oh, Cafe Rio has that machine in there, huh? Where they make their fresh tortillas. All right, I stand corrected. It's flaming fajitas. So Juan's flaming fajitas. And one of my favorite things about this place is their beans on the table with their salsas. I cannot wait. Yum, yum, guys. That's what I'm doing. The one item combo. So before we came here, we all looked at the menu, so we are ready to rock and roll. We know what we want. And they're really known for their fajitas here. So I think that's what Paul's getting. This one is all mine. Nobody likes beans, except for me and Isaiah. Before they bring out our meals, they bring us some soup. It's like a sopa fideo. It's really good. But when I was little, I used to not have good memories of this soup. But this tastes really good.
Oh, I want to see what this is.
It's hot. Be careful. What do you think? It's good? Did you have some of that soup? Not yet? Be careful as you make sure you blow on it. Do you like that one? What a cutie. Here comes Paul. Oh, look at those fajitas. Wow. All right, give Paul the fork. They got some chicken strips at a delicious Mexican restaurant.
Yeah.
SMH.
Whatever.
I got the tostada. What did you get, Kobe? Ooh, that looks so good.
I did have to get it.
Ooh.
I'm so.
So I just got my food, which I just got a yummy tostada, and the waiter spilled like all this salsa all over me, and it was hot. I mean, it's still a good place. It is what it is. Look at my shirt. My luck. A bean burrito. That looks good. It's got green sauce.
Yeah, I put it on top. You got any more green sauce? Yeah.
Your meal?
It's very good.
Yeah, we'll come back up more often. Hopefully they won't spill salsa on us.
They only got my leg. They got your shirt.
My face?
I got my
You liked it? Did you like your tamale?
Yeah, it was good.
It's good? What'd you get? A burrito? We came here just for you. Making memories before you go.
Still fresh.
And what'd you think? You like the salsas, right? Do you think you'll try something more Mexican next time we come? Yeah? Yeah. It's very good. Aside from the little mishap, my food is delicious. And I couldn't even eat it all because I ate so many chips. So I have lunch for tomorrow. So win-win.
And they give you a discount on the bill.
They did give me a discount on the bill for spilling the salsa and splashing it on my face. It was kind of hot. Yikes. So far we've had a wonderful evening just hanging out as a family. We're watching Isaiah's favorite show. I'm like, hey, should we play some games? And he's like, yeah, let's play a game of watching Survivor because that's his favorite right now. So we're watching some Survivor, but I'll show you and I'll take you along tomorrow what we do. It'll be so fun and also still making some memories with Isaiah, spending as much time as we can. So thanks for this part, for spending Monday with me, and we're going to go to Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. As you can see, I have an elastic bandage around my neck. Jonas back there hurt his hand pretty good at school, so we're just going to wrap him up. I was planning to make dinner, but my son was like, let me get pizza. So it's on its way before we head to the baseball fields, and we'll take you along. He just thanked me for ordering so early. We do eat dinner very early in our home. It's like 4 o'clock. So, but we have to leave pretty quick here anyways for the baseball fields to watch Paul play. So pizza it is. So we're at the baseball game. I guess it's softball and it's a bunch of grown men playing ball. They're pretty good. I watched them last week, so they did a good job last time. So we'll see. The boys are also over here playing, the littler ones. And oh goodness, it's near bedtime. I want to go to sleep already. Woo! Oh, Daddy, or Paul. It's gonna get ready to run. What are you singing?
We want to sing.
He's like, we want a singer, not a single. I love how you're encouraging Dad. You're telling him we gotta win. Okay, we're gonna play some soccer. Whoa. Oh, sorry. He's doing pretty good with this kicking the ball thing. You know, we had our two older sons in soccer leagues when they were little, about his age. Paul was their coach. But I don't know, with Jonas, we didn't really do that much. But maybe we have another soccer player with Ezra. What do you think, Ezzy? You want to play soccer? Uh-oh. Maybe Emberlyn can show you some moves. Ow. I'm okay. So we're just spending an evening watching Paul play softball and just spending time with the family. The boys are over there playing. They're having a good time. And this is our life. So you got to see a little bit of Mondays. That was fun at the restaurant at Juan's. And aside from that mishap, right, it still is a great restaurant. And we're just trying to spend as much time with Isaiah. And we'll be leaving pretty soon, about a week or so. So we're anxious and we have lots of emotions going on about that. And most of all, we're excited and very proud of him. So I'll leave it with that. And I wish you a good night. And pretty soon I'll have some other more cooking videos coming up. But like this video, and if you haven't clicked subscribe, please do so, and I'd love to have you along. And I'm so grateful for all of you, and stick around. Just never know what I'll be rolling out next.